Okay, we had a great question come in the community today about where and how to promote a quiz on your site to get the most people to see it and take that quiz. And I want to take you through a couple of live examples of Interact customers and how they are promoting their quizzes according to best practice. So the best practice is going to be to have your quiz front and center on your site, just like this one from our good friend Kay Putnam. This is the front page of her site, kputnam.com, and she has a take the quiz button right here, along with a short preview of that quiz. Depending on which platform you're on, getting this button on the site, you'll have different ways of doing that, but you'll just go ahead and click this button here, take you to a page where the quiz is embedded. So in this case, Brandality quiz, and then you can take the quiz here. So that's the very best option. If for some reason it doesn't make sense on your site to have a button on the front page, for a variety of reasons, for whatever reason that is, the next best option is going to be to have it up here in the menu of your site. And then also, when you scroll down on this page, this Primarily Pure, they have another call out for it down here that says take our skin quiz. So again, this is going to take you to a page where the quiz is embedded. So you can take the quiz here, take the quiz, and it'll start that quiz. So you always want to point to a page on your site where the quiz is embedded, and then either have a button on the home page, like the one from Kay Putnam, or have a link in your menu / further down on the page. So those are best practice for how to promote your quiz on your site.